If you're drinking keto coffee but you're not on the keto diet, will this cause you to gain weight? Today I'm breaking down the exact details on keto coffee, how to use it, when to use it, and how you can actually use it in order to achieve your weight loss goals in today's video. Alright guys, if you're new to my channel and you don't know who I am, my name's Autumn and I'm a certified clinical nutritionist with my master's in nutrition human performance. On my channel, I'm typically talking about the science back and holistic methods that you can use in order to achieve your wellness dreams. So if you have a wellness goal in mind, make sure you subscribe. Now I was intending to drink my keto coffee during this video, but then I finished it. Lols, zero self-discipline when it comes to keto coffee. And if you don't know what keto coffee is broadly described as a coffee that doesn't contain any sugars or any proteins that will cause your body to have an insulin response. And because fat doesn't have that insulin response that protein and carbohydrates does, that's why keto coffee utilizes fat within it. So typically the fats you'll see will be like grass-fed butter, coconut oil, MCT oil, and this is why keto coffee is typically paired with the keto diet or with intermittent fasting. Although the purpose for why the keto coffee is being used is a little bit different for each of these. For example, if you're following the keto diet, this means that you're really only consuming between 20 to 50 grams at most of carbohydrates per day. It also means that you need to be consuming a minimum of 70%, if not up to 90% of your total energy intake from fats. This is in order to push the body into a state of ketosis, and some people find it a little difficult to get that quantity of fats in, so that's where something like keto coffee is a really great tool to help just increase that percentage of fat that you're taking in for the day. And for the keto diet, that's all with the goal of pushing the body into a state of ketosis and utilizing fat as fuel. Now on the flip side, you can also use keto coffee with intermittent fasting. This is something that clearly I do every day. If you guys ever see me on Instagram, then you see me keto coffee cheersing you guys pretty much every day. And intermittent fasting is a lot different than the keto diet in the sense that it doesn't dictate what you're actually eating. Rather, instead it tells you when to eat, not what to eat. The strategy for intermittent fasting can vary greatly, but typically it's going to be somewhere between 12 to 18-hour fast is a really common number. And one of the main goals of intermittent fasting is actually pretty similar to the keto diet in the sense that it's trying to keep insulin levels very low. Insulin is our storing hormone. So especially if weight loss is your goal, you really want to make sure that you're keeping that storing hormone low in order to tap into fat burning mechanisms or turn on a process called lipolysis, which literally means fat breakdown. Now, every time you eat, you are going to be stimulating some type of insulin response, unless it is something that's pure fat, like with the keto coffee. And with intermittent fasting, there's really two ways to go about it. You can either have a true fast where you're just really not consuming anything other than water during your fasted state in order to keep your insulin levels lower. Or if you are new to intermittent fasting, if you find that it's a little difficult to get through that fasting period without feeling hungry, that's where you can use keto coffee. Keto coffee will then help to keep your insulin levels lower, just like you would if you were in that completely fasted state. But it helps to trigger satiety, helps to shut off hunger that you might be feeling, especially if you're new to intermittent fasting and you aren't quite metabolically flexible yet. So the keto coffee really helps to keep your body in that fat burning state while not feeling hungry. And that's where the keto diet and intermittent fasting can kind of overlap, because the keto diet for this reason is essentially a fasting mimicking diet, where it essentially mimics a fast with keeping the insulin levels lower. And that's what you're doing with the keto coffee during your fasted period with intermittent fasting. You're mimicking that fast while still being able to have something to keep you a little bit satiated. So can you use keto coffee if you're not keto? The two main routes that actually make sense for keto coffee to be used is with intermittent fasting or with the keto diet. However, if you are using keto coffee with intermittent fasting, it's extremely important to note that you can't just eat a ton of processed sugary foods during your intermittent fasting eating window, because that will ultimately cause massive spikes in insulin levels, really shift your body into that storing mode and completely work against your weight loss goal and actually cause you to gain weight instead. And this is something I've talked about with my 10 intermittent fasting mistakes video, which you can check out right here if you've missed that one. And this really isn't even a strike against keto coffee itself. It's more of a point that's just really important that you understand if you are using intermittent fasting for a weight loss tool, that it's equally as important to pay attention to what you're eating during that eating window and not just the fast itself. I'm personally not keto. However, I do use intermittent fasting daily. I do use keto coffee pretty much every single day. And I also pair this with high quality protein, fat, and fiber meals, as well as some strategically timed starches in order to maintain that fat burning. These are strategies that I personally use and that the AM peeps use with the A and nutrient timing in the complete intermittent fasting bundle, which if you're curious on more of that meal by meal details for intermittent fasting for weight loss, you can check out the details for the complete intermittent fasting bundle down the description below. And although I'm not keto, keto coffee is something that I use in order to stay satiated and still burn fat during my intermittent fasting fasting period. So if you want to make your own super frothy first cup of keto coffee, you can check out my step-by-step video on exactly how to do this with this video right here. Also, if you're new to my channel and you love this science-backed information, make sure you subscribe right here. Come out with new videos every Tuesday and Thursday. All right, guys, keto coffee cheers, and I'll see you in my next video.